Next, we have our fourth objective in Chapter 5, and that is preparing a merchandiser's financial statements. The skeleton appears on slide number 40. We're going to take our net sales minus our cost of goods sold to come up with our gross profit. We talked a little bit about this earlier. That's going to be followed by our operating expenses. First, the selling expenses that are related to the selling and the marketing of the inventory. Then, general expenses, the office expenses. Subtract those two items from the gross profit and you're going to come up with any operating income or loss. Operating income positive, operating loss is negative. Then we will add any other revenues and expenses, and that would generally be related to interest. Interest revenue from any investments, interest expense from any of your long-term debt. Add or subtract those items from operating income and you will come up with your bottom line net income number. Okay? So, the two types of formats for income statements are either the multi-step, which we just talked about on slide 40, which contains key subtotals, i.e. that would be the gross profit, the operating income, and the net income, and the single step, whereby you would take all of your revenues minus your total expenses. And I'm turning back in the chapter now to point you to the right format. Okay?